Number 1. Witnessing the Bucyrus RH340 or H340B at work is a jaw-dropping experience. This 498-ton giant boasts a 34 MR3 bucket capacity, making it a beast in the mining world. Its 3,000 horsepower from dual QSK-45 engines ensures it operates with maximum power and efficiency. The sheer force it generates is something to behold. Number 2. Holy smokes, this T-Wow 5 Fury is a beast. That high wall cutting capability is insane. Perfect for getting right up close without risking the machine. Love how Vermeer thought of everything, even the remote control for maintenance. This thing is a game changer for any serious earth-moving project. Number 3, the Tesmec 1150 EVO chainsaw trencher is incredible. It can dig up to 12 feet deep and 42 inches wide, powered by a 441 HP engine. The EVO technology ensures excellent performance on hard rocks while keeping costs low. The Trenchtronic electronic control system and DGPS guidance with Trench Intel are fantastic features for precision and efficiency. Number 4, I saw this Interdrain 4045T in action on a neighboring farm, and I was blown away. It dug a long, deep trench in no time. The operator made it look so easy. If you're in the market for a trencher, this one is definitely worth checking out. Number 5, the Wirtgen W2-100 is the ultimate road construction machine. With a hefty weight of 36.3 tons and a track width of 350 mm, it delivers a 2,200 mm cutting width and a 320 mm cutting depth. Its operating speed of 86 min and travel speed of 5 km/h make it a powerhouse on any site. Ideal for anyone looking to maximize efficiency and productivity. Number 6. Whoa, this Liebherr 974 is an absolute monster. The sheer power and size of this machine is mind-blowing. I'd love to see it in action on a massive mining operation. Liebherr never disappoints when it comes to heavy-duty equipment. Number 7, the Vermeer CT718 is a game changer in composting. This machine sets new standards with its efficiency and productivity. The updated control display and side rear-view cameras make it a breeze to operate. Plus, the FlexAir fan pitch optimizes horsepower usage by adjusting based on engine temperature. Perfect for anyone looking to streamline their composting process. Number 8, the engineering behind the DPRT is truly impressive. The dual-engine design, coupled with the robust construction and advanced control systems, ensures optimal performance and reliability in even the harshest conditions. This is a testament to the innovation happening in the transportation sector. Number 9, Mastenbrook CT12 takes trenching to a new level. The larger full-width hopper and the variable speed conveyor handle various materials with ease. The enhanced operator access and visibility, coupled with the independent hydraulic oil cooler, show how thoughtfully designed this machine is. A top choice for any serious trenching project. Number 10, impressed by the Braun TR4i50 wheel trencher. With an 8490 depth capacity and 450 HP, it's built for serious trenching work. The smooth-walled trenches it creates are perfect for gas line and utility installations. This machine is a game changer for any project. Number 11. This is probably one of the most beautiful Manitowoc 4600 tractors in the world. That 140-foot boom and 6.5-yard bucket is insane. It's like something out of a Transformers movie. Can't imagine what it's like to operate that thing 13 feet off the ground. Number 12. The Chippo 8010C is the ultimate chipper. With a 780 HP Cat engine and a strong man truck, it's designed for the toughest jobs. The large drum and aggressive feed system produce high volumes of quality chippings. The Epsilon crane and flexible discharge options make it a standout performer. Number 13, just wow. The Savannah 1720 stump puller tackles stumps with ease, pulling those up to 58 centimeter in diameter. Paired with the Savannah rotary rake, it makes post-harvest land conversion a breeze. This combination can handle 20-40 acres a day, making it a top-notch choice for forestry operations. Highly recommend. Number 14 can't get enough of the 631 scraper box. The 4-stroke 8-cylinder engine provides unmatched power. The single lever shift control and automatic gear selection make it user-friendly. The microprocessor that manages the output shaft speed is a brilliant addition. This machine is built for efficiency. Number 15, the versatile Cat D4 dozer offers excellent power and precision. The lower sloping hood provides better visibility, while the Cat C4.4 engine ensures great fuel efficiency. With features like the assist grade technology, this dozer is perfect for operators of all skill levels. Highly recommend for anyone looking to boost their productivity. Number 16, imagine soaring over traffic in your own personal flying car. This Xpeng X2 is the ultimate status symbol. The minimalist design is stunning, and the carbon fiber structure screams luxury. Sign me up for a test flight. Number 17, check out the Seedmaster Nova Aircart Series 2. This cart offers improved accuracy and efficiency with its upgraded stainless steel metering system and enhanced air control. The high-capacity S3 fan and new calibration technology ensure precise product delivery. The sturdy build, better walk-up steps, and ISO compatibility make this cart an excellent investment for any farming operation. Number 18, this Duratec HD9 Jettons grading chipper is a beast. We've been using it on our forestry operations, and it's made clearing land so much easier. It chews through thick branches and logs like they're nothing. The diesel engine is powerful and reliable, and the machine itself is built to last. Number 19. The Crest 200 Free is a game changer for coal transport. Its efficient design and high payload capacity mean you get more done with less fuel. The smooth ride and outstanding stability make it perfect for tough mining environments, and with support from the Caterpillar dealer network, it's a reliable choice for any operation. Number 20, wow, this Menck M150 LC is a true classic. Love the old school charm of these drag lines. That bucket capacity is impressive, and the way it effortlessly slices through the earth is mesmerizing. It's a real testament to German engineering. Number 21, fantastic to see Turkey's first VCS 5400 chip spreader hitting the market. Vimpo has really outdone themselves with a machine designed for local conditions, offering faster service and easy access to spare parts. This is a big step forward for the industry. Number 22. The MJ47 is an impressive machine that stands out in any large quarry setting. Its heavy-duty vibrating grizzly feeder and 200 HP motor provide exceptional crushing power. The modular design simplifies setup and operation, making it perfect for contractors aiming to maximize efficiency and output. A true powerhouse in every sense. Number 23, just checked out the Eberhard Volvo L350H, and it looks fantastic. The 285 kilowatt engine and the large bucket capacity make it ideal for heavy lifting and material handling. The advanced features like the load sensing system enhance productivity and save energy. Excellent choice for any heavy-duty application. Number 24, the BM410 is a game changer for brick production. This fully automatic mobile machine makes it so easy to produce clay or mud bricks anywhere and anytime. Just load the raw materials, start the machine, and let it do the rest. Perfect for on-site construction needs. Number 25, holy moly, this Ducker Dam is a game changer. That 250-degree and rotating arm and 32-foot reach on the 1050 mean I can mow ditches, trim trees, and even reach over fences without leaving my seat. Talk about saving time in my back. Number 26 just saw the Mobis Faltaflieger in action, and it's impressive. The folding trailer design is a game changer for managing timber loads and navigating challenging terrain. The quick fold and unfold process is efficient and makes a big difference in tight areas. Definitely a must-have for loggers. Number 27, the Palms Grapple is incredibly versatile and efficient. The ability to lift, move, and load various materials with ease is amazing. The 360-degree rotation allows for great maneuverability, and it's built to last with its high-strength steel construction. Perfect for improving productivity in forestry and recycling. Number 28, the Hydrema 912 GS rail combines power, stability, and comfort in one machine. Perfect for rail tracks with its flexible rail modules and AS7502 compliance. The high performance and large payload capacity make it a standout choice for any rail maintenance task. Number 29, hydrogen power meets snow grooming with the Prianth Lightwolf H2 Motion. Its 13-liter hydrogen ice engine delivers 338 kW, 460 HP, offering familiar performance for operators and technicians. Number 30, impressive performance and versatility from Proxy Trade, SP's sleeper replacement tool. Its ability to dig into track ballast and reduce labor costs makes it a valuable asset. The clamp force and compatibility with various sleepers are top-notch. That's it for today's deep dive into these fantastic machines. Don't forget to like and subscribe for daily content. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. See you in the next one. Hey Tech fam, Mr. Tech here, and today we're diving into the world of machines. Get ready to be blown away by the sheer size and power of these engineering marvels. Number 1, the E-Dumper is the ultimate example of electric vehicle innovation. Equipped with a colossal 4.5-ton battery, it's the largest electric dump truck ever made. At 58 tons empty, it can carry an additional 65 tons of material. Converted from a Komatsu 605-7 HD, the E-Dumper replaces diesel with electric, proving that heavy-duty machinery can be both powerful and green. An incredible step forward in industrial innovation. Number 2, the Kometo 900-ton transporter girder is transforming the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway construction. Watching it move colossal concrete beams effortlessly is nothing short of impressive. This transporter is a perfect example of how cutting-edge technology is making complex construction tasks simpler and more efficient. Number 3, high-performance rock trencher for mid to big-size pipelines. The 1475XL Evio is one of the largest test mech chainsaw trencher, belonging to the 100 metric ton class. Trenchtronic 5.0 equipped. The 630 HP powered unit can dig trenches for big diameter pipe up to 16 degree 488 cm, deep in the toughest conditions. 1475XL Evio chainsaw combines high chain pull and low chain speed thanks to its upgraded flywheels, gearboxes, and new hydraulic components. Number 4, the Mastenbrock 2015 drainage trencher is a beast. Its Volvo EU Stage 4 engine delivers 328 EP, making trenching a breeze. The adjustable trench width from 125 mm to 450, and the spoil discharge system are fantastic. The machine's elevating cabin is ROPS certified, ensuring operator safety. It's an impressive piece of equipment for any large-scale drainage project. Number 5, wow, the Duramus D150T off-road mining truck is impressive. It handles 150 metric tons of gold ore over 144 kilometers and 8% slopes while cruising at 50 km/h. Operating in the Kivalik region of Nunavut, where temperatures can drop below 45 degrees Celsius, this truck is built to last. With a powerful X15 engine and robust transmission systems, it's a prime example of heavy-duty innovation. Number 6, the Kunlun CRCC 1,000-ton bridge girder erection machine is a true marvel. At 40 mm long, 9.3 mm high, and 967 tons, it can lift and transport 1,000-ton bridge girders with ease. With its 15,000 parts, it's built for construction environments ranging from 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, and can withstand winds up to level 7 in operation and level 11 when idle. The laser radar sensors ensure precise alignment even in low light. It saves 20% on costs and speeds up construction by 25%. Number 7, check out the Techni Cairo Slag Taurus P120. This beast of a machine carries up to 120 tons of slag, withstanding temperatures over 1,000 degrees Celsius. It's packed with safety features: overload protection, fireproof coating, surveillance systems, and a fire suppression system. Plus, its advanced control system separates residual metals, boosting efficiency and resource conservation. A powerhouse in steel mill recycling. Number 8, bridge construction has never been this efficient. The SLJ 932, weighing 580 tons and 92 meters long, is a game changer. It can transport and place concrete beams at 5 km each, connecting bridge piers with ease. With 64 wheels that can rotate 90 degrees, it navigates difficult terrains like valleys effortlessly. This machine is a testament to modern engineering brilliance. Number 9, the Top Turn X4500 by Comtech is a top-tier compost turner for mid-sized operations. It has a 225 HP engine, a robust retractable frame, and a hydraulic service platform with an integrated ladder. The large drum and paddles mix compost thoroughly, reducing odors effectively. Plus, the hydraulic cabin with temperature and pressure control makes operation comfortable. Number 10, Sandvik DR412i is a powerhouse. Its ability to handle 203mm, 300mm hole diameters and depths up to 33 meters is incredible. The 950 HP engine ensures robust performance, and the onboard automation maximizes drilling efficiency. Perfect for those demanding mining operations. Number 11, impressed by the Bomag BC 1173. This compactor with Stage 5 Ars Tier 4F emissions, a weight of 56,600 ton, and 430.0 no-hour power, is built to last. The latest technology ensures high productivity and low operating costs. The operator support system is a huge plus for efficiency, a must-have. Number 12, the 8600 Badger Breaker is a force to be reckoned with. This self-propelled machine carries a huge 12,000-pound hammer with an adjustable drop height of up to 9 feet. Seeing it take down a U.S. military runway is impressive. It's built to handle the toughest concrete demolition tasks. Number 13, the Xpeng Aero HT is a marvel of modern engineering. Transforming a standard car into a flying vehicle with rotor blades that fold away is simply amazing. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, and it's fantastic to see such advancements becoming a reality. Number 14, the BMAD Green Cargo is definitely a standout in the agricultural machinery field. Its origins from beet harvesters and the evolution to a screw conveyor setup show how design can be refined over time. Plus, the inclusion of modern features like auto steering and advanced control systems is fantastic. Number 15, Caterpillar has outdone itself with the CAT 8063 underground truck. The focus on increased efficiency and lower operational costs is evident in every aspect of this machine. The new enhancements, including a 5% greater payload and more torque, are significant improvements over its predecessor. Number 16, the CIT 5719 Raupen Transporter by Menzi Muck is a beast when it comes to navigating challenging terrains. With its robust rubber tracks, this vehicle effortlessly handles rough, muddy, or snowy conditions. The ability to climb slopes up to 45 degrees is impressive, making it ideal for accessing hard-to-reach work areas. The versatile dump bed, capable of tilting in multiple directions, adds to its efficiency, allowing easy unloading of materials in various positions. Number 17, incredible technology here. This railway tie replacement machine works wonders by swapping out old ties without the hassle of track removal. Its built-in tie changer grabs and replaces ties swiftly, then redistributes the ballast perfectly. With a focus on efficiency, this machine cuts down on labor and downtime, making rail maintenance smoother than ever. A true asset for keeping our tracks in top shape. Number 18, the 12V71 Detroit diesel engine paired with the Kenworth truck is a legendary combo in road transport. This 12-cylinder, two-stroke powerhouse is renowned for its durability and impressive sound. It's built to handle heavy loads in tough conditions with ease, perfect for long hauls and road trains in Australia. The distinct roar of the 12V71 is iconic and a key part of road train culture, an absolute beast on wheels. Number 19, the Vermeer TG7000 is a top-notch machine for big land clearing and wood waste projects. The automatic torque control and cutting system with 10 hammers and 20 double-bolt cutter blocks make it incredibly effective in low maintenance. The optional climate-controlled cab and grapple loader make it a one-man operation, which is fantastic for saving on labor and boosting productivity. Definitely worth a look for major projects. Number 20, the Plant Max is revolutionizing forestry planting. With a planting rate of over 40 seedlings per minute and the ability to handle up to 20,000 seedlings in storage, it's perfect for large-scale operations. The machine's combination of cultivation, compaction, and planting in one go, along with data collection capabilities, sets a new standard in efficiency. Plus, with a Volvo Penta engine and an ECO 19 transmission, it's built to last. Number 21, the ditch cleaning combine from Poznan is a beast. Built by the Institute of Agricultural Industrial Machines, it's designed to handle tough jobs in ditches and small channels, which are often done by hand. This prototype moves on a single track frame and is equipped with advanced arms and suspension for front tools. It can cut grass, remove silt, uproot bushes, and even trim branches. This machine is a time saver and a must-have for any farm looking to maintain their ditches efficiently. Number 22, the Midamea ML22 Erdino is a powerhouse in store loading. With its 80 cm wide conveyor belt and a capacity of up to 180 TRHR, it handles large volumes effortlessly. The design ensures maximum product quality with a fully accessible frame that prevents debris buildup. The adjustable speed drum motor and unique knotting end make it perfect for precise filling, a must-have for efficient and reliable storage operations. Number 23 outstanding features in the PCA desuckering sprayer. It offers a perfect blend of efficiency and precision with speeds up to 8 km/h for both desuckering and weedicide spraying. The customizable boom height and width adjustment ensure it's tailored to your vineyard's needs. Plus, the fully shielded design with minimal drift management keeps your vines in top condition. Number 24, impressive specs on the CarMix 5.5 XL. This concrete mixer handles 5.5 Menor 3 per batch and features a drum capacity of 7.6 Menor. Its 150 HP turbo diesel engine and 4x4 drive system can tackle slopes up to 30%. The built-in water pump, high-pressure washer, and accurate scales make it a versatile and efficient tool for any concrete mixing job. Number 25, the Volvo A25D is designed to tackle the toughest conditions. Equipped with a 295 HP diesel engine and a robust 10.22-meter chassis, it's perfect for heavy-duty hauling. Its hydraulic suspension and advanced steering system provide excellent stability on uneven ground, and the high-wear steel body and smart transmission ensure long-term durability. Number 26, the JCB 560-80 and FA-Union Trackway C40 combo is top-notch. With a maximum lift height of 7.9 and a robust 6,000 key capacity, it's built to perform. The 50% reduction in cab noise and 12% increase in cab volume enhance comfort, while the 14% improved visibility ensures you see everything. And with a speed of 40 kph, it's quick and efficient. Number 27, experience the power of the Liebherr PR736. Featuring a 150 kilowatt engine and a 4.1 M3 blade, it's perfect for heavy-duty earth moving. The Dozer's advanced hydraulic transmission and smart suspension ensure efficient and smooth operation on any terrain. With its spacious, high-tech cab, you get both comfort and precision. A top pick for tough jobs. Number 28, if you need a reliable crane for rail construction, the GP89 Matissa is a great choice. It's designed for simplicity and efficiency, making it ideal for both new installations and track renewals. Its ability to move on 2 height-adjustable rails and its self-loading feature are particularly impressive. Combining 2 units for extended panels is a smart touch. Number 29, Scania AXL looks like the future of heavy-duty transport. Autonomous technology paired with a biofuel engine is impressive. It's designed to handle harsh conditions, which makes it perfect for mining and large-scale construction. Really excited to see how this technology evolves. And that's a wrap on our journey through these incredible machines. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for daily updates on our latest videos. Wishing you great relaxation and new insights. See you next time.